Hey there, money mavens. Welcome back to our channel where we break down tech and finance topics in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to receive money on Cash App. Whether you're a newbie or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you receiving funds like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App downloaded on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, open the app and sign up with your email or phone number. It's super quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home screen. That's your command center. Now, to receive money, you need a unique identifier called a $cashtag. This is like your personal username on Cash App. If you haven't set one up, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right corner. Tap on Personal, and then Cashtag to create or edit yours. Make it something memorable and easy to share. Next, share your $cashtag with the person sending you money. You can do this via text, email, or even directly in the app by generating a QR code. Just go to the Cash tab, tap the $sign, and select Request or Scan QR code if needed. When someone sends you money, it'll show up in your Cash App balance almost instantly. A few pro tips to keep things smooth. Always double-check that your account is linked to a bank or debit card for easy withdrawals. Also, enable notifications so you get alerts for incoming payments. And remember, for security, never share sensitive info like your full account details. Stick to your $cashtag. There you have it. Receiving money on Cash App is straightforward and secure. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.